Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host. Good morning, and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning we're visiting with Kristin Hildabrand, Warren County Extension Agent for Horticulture. Good morning, Kristin.
Good morning, Joanna.
Now, Kristin, you just mentioned getting rid of the winter blues, and you talked about this a few weeks ago, and you've gotten several calls about it.
Yeah.
So we're dedicating a whole show to this indoor gardening.
Yeah, I'm so excited to talk about it, and like you said, because of the interest, we thought we would dedicate this whole segment to specifically talking about an indoor garden, because, you know, we really don't think about gardening in the wintertime just because, you know, the days are shorter, so we don't have a lot of light, and so we can't really grow things outdoors. But with this indoor garden, you can have all of that. And so this system is very unique because it's basically a form of aeroponic gardening. And so basically with this system, you can see it's made by, its name is called an AeroGarden, so aeroponic gardening basically is what's in the name. So what happens is that you get this kit, this particular garden system, and what you have is you've got lights above it. So we talk about, you know, the winter days are shorter, so we don't have as much daylight, so it makes it difficult to grow plants. But with this system, you've already got the grow lights above the plants.
And that's probably one of our limiting factors growing indoors is the light. And this has an adjustable height, right?
Yes, it does. So there's a little button on the back of this, Joanna, and all you have to do is just raise this up depending on how tall that your plants grow. So obviously we've got it on the low stand right now because, you know, our plants are still growing, and you really just want it a couple of inches away, and then as they get taller, then you can adjust that. So the light has a lot of different color lights to it. If you get underneath it, it's kind of a red, blue, and there's even the clear light to it as well. So with that, it has the light system. You also get a seed pod kit. Now, this particular system is a little bit smaller. There's some that are a little bit more vast. So the ones that we chose for this particular one is the romaine lettuce. It also comes with like a gourmet herb type kit if you want to have that to flavor your cooking dishes at home.
I know a lot of culinary schools actually have these in their labs so they can have fresh herbs all the time.
That's so awesome, and I love basil and mint and oregano and things like that, so that would be something that would be really easy to do and get your kids involved as well. So it just really depends on what you want to look at as far as plants, but with this system you can even find tomatoes and peppers and other plants, but it just has to be a bigger system because they're a lot more bigger, taller, and things like that. So, and I've even heard whenever you get these, you'll see these are the pods that actually, you know, come with all the soil and the seeds in it. And so what you do is after you've added water to the base of this, then you're going to go ahead and put your pods inside. So you can see that they're kind of conical in shape, and you can see what the root system looks like. And that's really a good indication that it's a healthy root system too.
And Kristin, this is only 2 weeks old, right?
Yeah, 2 weeks old. Yeah. So, and then, you know, look how healthy that looks. So
all the white roots, and that's what you want to look for in healthy plants. And so there's water in there, so it's kind of hydroponic, aeroponic, all this kind of put together.
Right.
But for people who want instant, I mean, 2 weeks old and you already have that, I think that's so much fun.
Oh, yeah, yeah. And so something for the wintertime, it's great for growing indoors, and you get to watch something. And really, it provides you with a lot of, you know, just joy and happiness. I mean, you look forward to it. Now, I will mention that every plant needs food. So we mentioned the water, but we also need nutrients. And so there's a liquid plant food that comes with the kit. It says that you're only supposed to do it every 2 weeks. And depending on like the actual size of your pods, because there's some pods that actually, or systems that have multiple pods, you'll have to do it a little bit longer. But in case you forget, there's a great way that it pops up on the particular system that you can go ahead and add your plant food. And so most of this is nitrogen, but it's real simple. All you have to do is basically take the cap off and then just add however many tablespoons you need to the water, and it's really, really easy to do. So a lot of times, you know, people will ask, what do I need to do after I get started? So generally what you need to do is every so often you're going to have to add fresh water to your system, and you're also going to have to accordingly add this. And then, you know, if you want to keep it a little bit bigger, the plants, you can maybe prune it a little bit so that way it keeps it actively growing. So, but basically everything is provided for you, and if anybody has any questions, they can just give us a call at the Extension office.
A gift that keeps on giving, Kristin.
That's right, that's right.
Well, we appreciate you watching, and have a great day. If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.